Hello and welcome to episode 21 of We Bought a Fixer Upper. Today we're going to be going over some big demo that was done this week, and we are in the living room on the main floor. So we'll start with, if you're wondering why our appliances in the fridge are over here in the living room, it's because this entire kitchen was completely ripped out. And I say this entire kitchen. You remember that tiny little kitchen that was right there? So the first window right there, that's where that teeny tiny little kitchen, that little baby kitchen. And this was our dining area. There was like a peninsula that was right there if you go back through any of our previous videos. So dining area, kitchen, that used to be the bathroom right there. There was a return that's gonna have to be moved for the HVAC. This was opened up as well. So this will be the foyer. This is where the bedroom was with the front door and the bathroom and the closet that will be right there, the half bath. Moving over here, they tore that wall down because they are going to be reframing all of this, adding the wall right there for the hallway. And last time we went over, we went into the Jack and Jill. They did put countertops in there, so I'll take you through there. But here we're going to go through the hallway, and hopefully this week we will have the attic ladder installed so that we could start putting our seasonal stuff that's down in storage in the basement away, because that would be fantastic to move some stuff around there. It's the master bedroom. Not a whole lot has been done in here, but we did get the countertops, and they are gorgeous. We love them. They are quartz. Very happy with that. So now we just have to have all that stuff installed. We have to be painting. We don't have a whole lot in here left, I guess. Just little cosmetic stuff. I'll show you. We got the same countertops for this bathroom as well in the Jack and Jill. Looks that pretty quartz. And then back over here. So we're thinking that we're going to go a little bit deeper with this closet because it's kind of shallow. But anyway, this is where a bedroom will be. It's going to be a pretty small bedroom, but there will be a wall right there, door on that side. And so this is what we have going on this week. I mean, they ripped up the ceiling and everything. So they will be tearing out the paneling in here, this beautiful paneling in the living room. And our builder suggested doing a shiplap in between the beams there. So, and we like that idea. And also putting a half wall instead of the railing. I don't know how many times we fussed at the kids. Don't hang on the railing. So a half wall will definitely make a difference. And we also, there's this little bookshelf over here that my husband and I keep going back and forth about. He doesn't want it there, but I love having it there because it's a bookshelf in the living room and it's a nice place. But the bookshelf is very shallow. We're talking about either ripping that out completely or rebuilding it so that it's a deeper bookshelf, and it's a little bit better than what that is. And of course, that's where the litter box hide out. But that's what we have going on. Stay tuned for the next update, because hopefully this process is going to go a lot faster than the basement process. So stay tuned. See you next time.